Back with another video. Just gonna go over some things here in the shop. I've just moved vehicles. I'm gonna be starting on the 70 Boss here for a couple days, get the floor pan mounted to that body and then stick it to the side, and I gotta do a 67 next. But I just wanted to show a new car project that I found last weekend, and just finished a 65 that I was doing, and an update on some of the Boss parts. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what's all going on, moving on to the next project. Starting on the Boss, so I'll be doing that today, so there'll be some videos here in the upcoming week on the Boss. But first, this is what I picked up last weekend. It is a 69 Fastback Mach 1. I did the Marty report on it. It was originally 351 4-barrel, FMX automatic, Wimbledon white with the red stripes down the side and a blacked out hood with a red interior. But this is just how I got it, just the way you see it. The structure on this car is really nice, so I'm looking forward to using this shell to bring it back to life. But this is a good example of what I like to find. Some people shy away from it just because of the amount of work into it, but this is a good body to start with. So this will be pushed under the lift and it'll be just sitting for a little while. I am doing the Boss and I got to do that 67 shell next. So I'm just going to be on my Boss for 2 days. This is a 65 that I just finished up. Let's see if I pop the hood just to show a little bit on this. Mustang Zafir. Front suspension, rear suspension, turned out really nice, real clean. So that's just getting shipped out so I can start on to the next one. And then eventually I'll do that 67, and then this 69 will most likely be last. A little bit of an update on just some parts. I'm still waiting on, I got a T56 to go behind the Coyote motor. But that's delayed in shipping because of all the snow that we've had here. We still have like a foot outside here in Pennsylvania. I did get Doug's long tube headers, and you can see in the white box there, QuickTime blow-proof bell housing to fit it onto it. So just a quick update on all the things that are going on here, but just expect Boss videos to come here in the next couple days. I'll have a couple videos on getting that floor pan ready and actually mounting it to the body so I can move it back over here and then do the 67 next. So click the notification bell on the screen. That'll let you know whenever I post the next video. The next one will be on the Boss. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching all the videos. If you're new here, click the subscribe button, follow along. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of pictures there of everything I'm doing throughout that build. I posted some pictures on this 65. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.